How to change password in OKX. Hello friends, welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial, I will show you how you can change password on OKX, and here is how you can go about it. The first thing to do is to log in into your OKX account, just like I have done here. And then once you're logged in, you will go to the home page automatically. On this page, the next step is to move to the top left corner of the screen where you can see a group of dots and just click on it. After clicking on it, okay, let's go back. Yes, after clicking on it, you'll be brought to the page where you see different tabs and different options. Then the next thing is to click on your email address that you can see boldly written at the top part of the screen. After clicking on that, you'll be brought to the profiles page where you see four tabs, namely profile, security, preferences, notifications. Just go ahead and click on security. On the securities page, click on security center, and then you'll be taken to the security centers page. Here you can see different authentication methods such as passkeys, authenticator app, phone, email, then set login password. Now for you, since you are trying to change your password, it means that you have a password set already. But for me, I don't have a password set up. That is why it's asking me to set it up. But for you, instead of set login password, what you would see displayed is change login password. So you just go ahead and click on it. After clicking on it, the page would load, and then you'll be asked to enter in the current password that you have in the box displayed, then enter in the new password, then confirm the password, and then a code will be sent to your email for authentication. Ensure you enter in the code, click on confirm, and then just like that, the password would be changed. Alright, so this is how you can change your password on OKS. Ensure you try it out as soon as possible. Thanks for watching.